So whether you've picked up the iPhone 12 when it was released or you just got one for the holidays, you might notice that the box is a lot thinner than it used to be. And that's because there's no charging brick in here. So for the first time, you now need to do some research to find out, is the Apple charging brick the best bet, or are there other good alternatives out there? In this video today, I'm gonna cover a few of my favorite iPhone 12 accessories, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So I've had quite a few questions, people asking me what kind of iPhone accessories do I use for the new iPhone 12 that I picked up. And I don't have a ton that I go over, but I wanted to cover a few essential accessories that you might want to look into when getting your new phone. And the first one is going to be a new power brick. So these new iPhone 12s can charge much faster than previous years. But to save the environment, Apple isn't giving you a brick anymore. Instead, they are now charging you an extra $20 to pick up one of their bricks. But there are cheaper alternatives out there. And one that I want to point out is a new power brick from Anker. So this is the Anker Nano. This is a 20-watt charging brick that is the same 20 watt that Apple sells, but just in a much smaller package and at a cheaper price. In fact, this thing actually charges 3 times faster than previous bricks that came with Apple iPhones. With this brick right here, you can go all the way from a 0% charge all the way up to 53% in 30 minutes. So this is a fantastic charger right here. But if you want something a little beefier, a little more power, Anker also sells this bad boy right here. This is a 60-watt power supply, and it is dual USB-C ports on the front. This thing can not only charge a couple of iPhones super fast, but you can actually use that to charge a laptop. So if you do have a laptop that is charged through USB-C, that is going to be an awesome option for you right there. And Anker is a very well-known company in mobile device accessories. Okay, so the next thing that we are talking about is got to be one of my favorite accessories. You probably heard of MagSafe if you have the new iPhone 12. That is that the iPhone now has a magnet built into it, which you can use to charge your phone or add other accessories like the wallet. But the Apple Wallet only holds the 3 cards. I have got a wallet right here from the company Moft that not only holds those 3 cards and can attach to the back of your phone, but it also has a little kickstand that pops out from the back, and you can use that to prop your phone up. You can do it in many different directions: vertical, horizontal, or what they even call float mode, where you can pop the magnet off the back and tilt it to the side there too. I've been using this brand for quite a while now. I had it on my old phone, and on my old phone, since there was no MagSafe, the wallet stand would just stick to the back of my phone case. Now, like I said, my wife and I use those all year, and I absolutely love them. It was nice to have a little kickstand that popped out on the back of your phone, but Moft has come out with a new MagSafe wallet that is just fantastic. So, a couple of things that I wanted to point out with this is just how strong is this magnet. So putting the magnet on the back of here, this is going to be able to hold my phone to it. Now, initially, when I got this right here, I did not have a MagSafe case, and you do have to have a MagSafe case because prior to this, I just had a regular clear case on here, and even though it kind of stuck, it was pretty loose, and every time I took my phone out of my pocket, this did fall off when I did not have the MagSafe case. Now that I've picked up the MagSafe case, this sticks to it perfectly. It sticks to it really hard, and I have not had any problems over this last week with this falling off at all. So really happy with that right there. And in addition to that, you don't need to have a case on it at all. The magnet is just as strong without the case. So let me go ahead and pop this off. Show you guys right here. This will attach right here like this and not fall off. Now granted, you still can get this off if you need to, sliding it to the side. And once it's in its spots, it kind of like almost clicks into place. Like you can feel it like making a tighter connection there. But this is something that I absolutely love. I will probably have this right here on every phone I have from now all the way into the future. Like I said, this has got to be one of my favorite iPhone accessories. And if you don't do MagSafe, if you've got a different phone, even if it's not an iPhone, you can pick this up for any phone. Like I said, you can get them to where they have a sticky on the back and you just stick it to the back of your phone or case, or you can pick up their new MagSafe one right here. The one that I have right here has got a nice, what they're calling vegan leather, which I guess is an imitation leather, but the quality and the look of this looks fantastic. I'm gonna have the links to everything below if you guys want to check this stuff out. But I wanted to make a quick little video on some essential iPhone accessories that you should be looking into for your new phone. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.